Hello students, welcome you all. Myself Shweta Gunde. I am working as assistant professor in Sistec Gandhi Nagar College, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Today I am here to present you a video lecture on the topic that is known as job sequencing with deadline. Basically, it is a type of a problem which is mentioned in the subject that is named as ADA, Analysis and Design of Algorithm. First, we will go through what is job sequencing with deadline. This problem actually means job sequencing with deadline means that we have to perform various n number of tasks into a particular given period of a time. Here, job word means the actual job that you need to execute or you perform the task. And what we want to do actually in this to perform each and every task, we must be given some time limit. And for after that time limit, we wanted to schedule all the job in a sequential manner in such a way so that at the very last time limit point when I reach up to the end limit, after that the profit that I used to get from each and every job execution is should be the maximum out of all the jobs. Out of all the jobs, the number of jobs which I was able to execute. Okay, so this is the very most important concept or the logic of our job sequencing with deadline problem. So over here, first we wanted to know ki which job we should start first. So we have two concepts over here: the job which gives you the maximum profit or the job which has the short deadline. In a case when you go with the maximum profit, maybe there is a possibility that if you leave the jobs that are giving you the minimum profit, but at the end of the day when you see that the jobs that you left ahead not executed, their total addition of a total profit value is giving much more profit than the jobs you executed earlier. Yeah, the jobs that you have chosen to execute. Other than this, if we go with the deadline, it may happen that the more than a particular single job means more and more jobs are having the same deadline value, because of which you will not be able to execute all the jobs at the same time. So what we do over here, which logic or concept we actually use to choose over here? For this we make use of greedy algorithm. Here is it is a greedy algorithm of the topic that is named as job sequencing with deadline. I have named this algorithm as a job sequence. I have not named it anything else. It is the same as which is mentioned in your standard books. Okay. The input items that I have taken over here is the job underscore list and other than this, all those variables that I have used for the purpose of indication I have mentioned into the algorithm itself. The what is the input that we are going to give for this algorithm is the list of jobs and the number of jobs present in the list. First we are going to give the number of jobs, and at the end what does we want a sequence of all the jobs execution in such a way that I used to get the maximum profit after executing each and every job. So we will start our algorithm with the begin. First I begin, then I sort all the jobs, means all the jobs which are present in my job list according to their profit in decreasing order. What I will do, the job that is giving me the maximum profit, I will put it at very first position. That at second position I will keep the job that is giving me the profit higher or more than all the remaining jobs but less than the job that is actually already positioned at the very first location, and so on. In this way I am going to sort all the jobs according to their profit in decreasing order. Now what I do to now what I need to do is we need to prepare one array again, one array list that is named as slot. Basically this time slot means what? Here a time slot plays a very important role. Time slot means a time limit given for each and every job to be executed. The time slot that I'm going to make, or the difference of the time slot, is or going to be of 1 unit only between the each and every time slot. Now, how we will decide that how many time slots we have is actually depends upon the number. It actually depends upon the deadline of the jobs we are having into our job list. Means the job having the maximum deadline value is going to be our the last time slot limit, and time slot limit always starts with a value 1. It means that if my first time slot is 1, then my second time slot is going to be 2, third time slot is going to be 3, then 4, then 5, up to n. It is because the difference between two time slot is always of 1 unit only. Okay, so what we will do here, initially we will make all the slots free. It means that I have made one time slot, I have made one schedule chart that which job I am going to execute or perform first. For that, I have not started or not made any entry of the job that I am going to execute first. Now I have I have indicated all the jobs by making use of a variable small I. So I have written over here for all given jobs I. Do what we have to do. We need to do is that for all the jobs in the list ending from the for all the jobs in the list from ending of the list, like the jobs which are available to us into the job list, we will start searching the job from the end point. And this is the same thing which I am going to do for the time slot also. The time slot array, the schedule which I have prepared to execute the jobs or to put the job into a particular time slot, I'm also going to read or to put the job from the ending point itself, not from the starting point. So at the very first point, the array that I'm taken, that is named as slot, I am putting the values time slots. I am denoting the time slots with a variable named as small j. Here my time slot named array is totally free. Now, now what we will do, job underscore sequence j is equals to I. Now what I will do, I will search the job that is giving me maximum profit, plus as well as that can be executed at very last, at very end of the day. Okay, I will choose that job from the job list into which I have mentioned all the jobs by a small letter I, by the name small letter I, and I will pick that job and put into the slot name array and make my slot, that particular slot j is equals to free. And here I will break my loop, and I have written done. The same thing we will again start. Then next we will see for the remaining jobs into the job list and for the remaining time slots, which are actually, if my last time slot was n, then the remaining time slots at present I am having must be n minus 1, n minus 2, up to 1, because we used to start put the job from the ending point, not from the starting time slot but from the ending time slot. Suppose if it happens, then when it is not free, when I am not having any slot free, what I will do, I will just take the ID of that particular job, print it. It means I will note it down and will finish my task and my work over there only. Okay, so in this manner we will assign all the jobs a particular time slot, a particular time limit, in which time limit, at the time limit means the deadline of the job. according to the deadline of the job, we are going to give the time, we are going to give time slot to each and every job, as the value of the time slots is equals to the deadline of the job. Here I have taken one example that how does it actually works. If we look over this question, I have jobs named J1, J2, J3, J4, J5. The deadline, that is the time limit I have given, is that the 2 unit time limit is for J1, 1 is for J2, 3 is for J3, J4, 2 is the deadline, and for J5, 1 is the deadline. The profit I am getting from job 1, that is 60, job 200, from job 3 20, from job 4 40, and from job 5 it is 20. Okay, now this is my question. The first table is actually showing me the question. Now what I will do, first I will sort my all the jobs on the basis of their profit value, means the job that is giving me the maximum profit, I will put it at very first position. And I have did the same thing in index 1. We are having job number 2, its deadline is 1, but its profit is maximum of all the other remaining jobs. In that same manner, next job is J1, giving the maximum profit of 60 and deadline value is 2. Third is J4, profit is 40 and deadline is 2. Now I have two jobs having giving me the same profit. Now what I will do, actually over here, now I will follow the sequential order which was actually given me into the question palette itself. It means according to my question table, the job number 3 is is before job number 5, that is J3 is before J5. So first I will take J3 and then at the end I will take J5. Now the only thing that you have to do is, now I have to decide that how many times, or that is what is my last time limit to earn the maximum profit and to execute the maximum number of jobs that all the jobs out of that maximum number of jobs that I can execute. So here my time slot maximum limit is actually depends upon the maximum deadline value. As we can see that our maximum deadline value is 3, minimum is 1, maximum is 3, and each time slot is going to have a difference of 1. It means if my time slot starts with 1, then it will end with 3, and next time slot is going to be 2, because the difference is of only one time unit. Now I have kept the status empty. It means at present I have not put any of the job. Now I have to make use of a greedy methodology, on the basis of which I will start putting my jobs. As I can see over here, I have shown the maximum profit, but I will tell you the which job I am going to pick first and the execute. If I look over my question according to the profit sequence, then over here the maximum profit that I am getting is job 2 and the profit is 100, but the unit time limit is 1 on time slot. That it means after one time slot, at the second time slot, that is a 2 time unit, at the 2 time unit I cannot execute my job. Okay, so I will check for J2 and J5 at the same moment itself. Since J2, I will pick up J2, as J2 is going to give me the maximum profit. If I leave away J5 also, J5 is not going to give me the profit that much, that J2 is giving to me. Okay, so I will take over here in my job schedule J2. I will put J2 in time slot number 1 and execute it. Now, as we know, we start from the last point, last moment, but since I cannot execute J2 at the time slot 3, I have already reserved the time slot 1 for J2. Next, I will again go for time slot 3, whether there is any job that is giving me the maximum profit, that will give me the maximum profit, and can execute it at the last endpoint. There is only job that is J3 whose time limit is 3, deadline is 3. So I will put J3 job at the time slot number 3. Now I have only one time slot remaining, that is time slot number 2. Now I need to choose among J1 and J4. Since J1 is giving me 20 value more extra profit than J4 with the same time limit deadline, I will put J1 into the time slot number 2, and here I am having the total profit 100 plus 60 plus 20, that is 180. Now we can check which jobs we have left over and whether they are giving me us more profit as compared to this one. So I have left with the 40, that is J4, and the J5, that is 20. 40 plus 20 is 60. Okay, now, is there is any job that is giving me same profit 40? No. Is there is any job that was giving me the same profit 20? Yes, there was J3. But again, J3 execution was possible, but J5 execution was not possible. So, the methodology that we applied, the technique that we used, on the basis of which we choose the sequence, that was J2, that was at the end J3. Before J3 we put J1, and before J1 we put J2. It was the greedy methodology and it was our correct and right decision. So this is known as job sequencing with deadline. Thank you.